size of that one. Heavy, heavy, heavy. One more, please. Nanababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank our partner business, Jay's Waffle House. So normally guys, when we hear the food waffle, ang naaalala lang natin dyan ay a breakfast meal or a dessert meal. But this time, check out our table. So they converted those breakfast meals into a savory meal. So let's get into the details. Let me introduce them to you one by one. So starting from my left, ito po ang tinatawag nilang Belgian Frank. Wow, check that humongous meal. And the next is the Waffle Burger. Comes with garlic mayo dip. Next is the Mexican Overload. Lastly, ito ang Hamcheese duo. Look at the size of that one. The usual dessert and breakfast meal for the waffles are still available, no? So they have Black Forest waffle, Nutella cream cheese, strawberry cream cheese, as well as blueberry cream cheese for the waffles. And then they also sell beef nachos and buffalo wings. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna try first their Belgian Frank. Wow, look at the size of that one. Ooh, this is huge. Oh, man. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Tingnan muna natin yung waffles nila without the sausage. Oh wow. Tingnan na natin. That sausage is really, really delicious. Plus, yung waffle nila guys, it really tastes great. Just for the sake of promotion, I'm not lying, waffle is really, really good. Another bite before I proceed. Oh, wow. I'm gonna proceed with the next. This is their 2 pieces waffle burger. There you go. So I'm pang fries. Okay, I'm gonna go first with the fries before we get into the burger. Wow, I love the dip. Let me give my obvious observation. So you have the waffle sandwich, beef patty natin. You also have your mustard sauce, vegetables, onions, and cheese. Let's get into it. Wow. That one bite, grabe, ang bigat. Ang bigat na ng patty natin. Next, I'm gonna go for their Mexican Overload. You know what? I am starting to like waffle burgers for some reasons. So una, yung supposedly bread na gagamitin dito is not your usual, plain bun. This one is a flavored waffle. So it adds more flavor. This is really huge. Wow. One more, please. Wow. Woohoo! I gotta say it again, guys. Ang sarap ng waffle. Super. So lastly, guys, ito ang tinatawag nilang ham and cheese duo. So let me dissect it for a while. So again, you have your, probably this is mustard sauce. Parang meron siyang coleslaw. And then this goes for the ham and cheese lovers. Wow. I gotta tell you guys, this is a must try. Woohoo! Wow, what a lovely afternoon for me, guys. Thank you so much, Jay. They are located sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. If you're near that vicinity, this is gonna be accessible to you. On the other hand, this is actually available sa partner delivery service nila. It's McCoy Logistics Services. Thank you so much, Jay's Waffle House, for sending us these amazing waffle dishes. So if you have time to check out their fan page, they actually have a Waffle for a Cause funds drive for helping yung nangangailangan na bata. So if you're interested to, help, make sure to contact them. And if you love the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll appreciate any reaction or comment coming from you guys. So again, guys, thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. I hope to see you on the next one. Keep safe and God bless us all. Bye.